waiting for the baby to arrive. Future perfect continuous. Anna and Leo are a young couple. They are expecting their first baby. The baby is coming in March. It is now December, and they are very excited. They are preparing every day. They are reading books, watching videos, and talking to doctors. They want to be ready when the baby comes. By the time the baby is born, Anna and Leo will have been preparing for months. They will have been buying baby clothes, diapers, and bottles. They will have been learning how to take care of a newborn. Anna will have been going to prenatal yoga classes. She wants to stay strong and healthy. She will have been doing light exercises every morning. Leo will have been building the baby's crib. He loves working with his hands. He wants everything to be perfect for their child. They will have been decorating the baby's room. The walls are light yellow, and there are small stars on the ceiling. They will have been choosing soft blankets, toys, and books for the baby. Every weekend, they will have been going to parenting classes. These classes teach them how to feed the baby, how to help the baby sleep, and how to stay calm. It is not always easy, but they are learning a lot. They will have been talking to other parents and listening to advice. Anna's mother is also helping. She tells stories from when Anna was a baby. This makes Anna smile. At the doctor's office, they will have been checking the baby's growth. The doctor says everything is going well. Anna and Leo feel happy and grateful. Some days are a little hard. Anna feels tired. Leo worries about being a good father. But they support each other. They talk, laugh, and stay positive. By the time March comes, they will have been getting ready for this baby for almost 6 months. They will have been planning and learning together. Their love will have been growing every day. They know that life will change. They will be tired, busy, and sometimes nervous. But they also know they will be happy. They will be holding their baby soon. Anna and Leo will have been waiting with hope, joy, and love. And soon, their new adventure will begin. Grammar explanation. Future perfect continuous. We use the future perfect continuous tense to talk about an action that will have been happening for a period of time before a future point. Structure. Subject plus will have been plus verb, ing. Example from the story. Anna and Leo will have been preparing for months. She will have been doing yoga. He will have been building the crib. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with future perfect continuous. Answers. Exercise 2. Choose the correct sentence. Answers. Exercise 3. Answer the questions. Answers. In this lesson, you learned about the future perfect continuous tense, which shows actions happening over time before a future event. You read about Anna and Leo, who will have been preparing for months before their baby arrives. Now you can use this tense to talk about your own plans and long-term activities. See you next time.